ये है अनसेट फीलिंग विद शाइंकी के क्लिप्स, जहां आपको बड़े बड़े पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड छोटा छोटा करके दिखाएंगे। तो देखते रहिए और बहुत कुछ सीखते रहिए।
तो पहला क्वेश्चन, टन टन टन, बिगेस्ट टर्न ऑफ।
When you can't stand for yourself and your people.
Got it. Your most memorable kiss.
My first kiss.
I think this for everyone.
Yeah, my first kiss has been the most memorable one. इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे कि मुझे लगा कि यार मुझे और करना है. And I was doing it straight for next few days. Same spot, same place, same timing.
Oh my god, I've never heard this though. I've never heard this
My
though.
first kiss, yeah, I'm like, wow.
Great. That is cute, I would say. The most embarrassing thing on a date with you.
Honestly, मैं ज़्यादा डेट्स पे गई नहीं हूँ. बहुत कम डेट्स पे गई हूँ and they have been decent enough. ऐसा अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है कि मुझे ऐसा लगे, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा गई नहीं हूँ.
So you have been lucky enough to not have those embarrassing moments.
No. If you want to share yours, it'll be great.
Okay. Yeah, I want to. Please, yeah.
Okay.
So what happened once, I went on this date. Okay, we were sitting on the table. It was a rooftop and थोड़ा गर्मी था Bangalore में. It was in Bangalore. So थोड़ा गर्मी था. So people tend to sweat, and which is normal, very normal. People tend to sweat. We're sitting side by side. This girl, she picks up a tissue.
Okay.
Okay. She wipes her neck. Fine. She starts wiping her underarms.
Okay.
And I would not even kid, the tissue was literally wet. Like, and that is completely fine. Okay, यहाँ तक भी चलता है. Now what did she do? We ordered a plate of momos. So the momos were already on the table.
Uh-huh.
She wiped her underarms. She kept that wet tissue next to the momo. And I was like, I don't want this. I don't want
Let's
this.
order another plate of momos.
She did not keep it on the table, but it was just next to the.
Why didn't you tell her that? What did you say? What was the reaction?
You can't say anything.
Were you like, let's order something else?
Like, she did not keep it on the plate. She kept it next to the
Yeah,
plate.
yeah.
But still, I was like, I am done. And I'll be very honest with you. I have never spoken to that girl since then.
What, you blocked her?
I did not block her. I'm not someone who blocks someone until unless it is extremely affecting me. But we just didn't.
मैंने भी वही
Go
करती. मैं
forward.
वही करती. That's like unhygienic.
But
And not even thinking about the person who's sitting right
exactly.
in
Like,
next.
I think there's a courtesy when you do that, where you can either go to the washroom, or even if you're doing that, okay, maybe just be sensible enough to keep it in a safe space.
I know. Not on the first date at least. Just go to the washroom, do that and come back.
Exactly. And so that was my.
मैं वही करती. बात नहीं करती.
So, what is the idea of a perfect lazy Sunday with your partner?
Until and unless मेरे पार्टनर को लेजी संडे चाहिए है तो ही मैं वो करूँगी. अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट समबडी हु वुड लाइक टू सिट होम. आई लाइक गोइंग आउट, एक्सप्लोरिंग न्यू रेस्टोरेंट्स, प्लेसेस. आई लव डूइंग न्यू एक्टिविटीज. सो या आई वुड प्रेफर डूइंग दैट एनी टाइम
So, which is the
ओवर
most,
लेजी संडेज.
which is the most adventurous activity you have done with your partner?
Most adventurous activity. Oh my god, I can't say, it's too private.
Say outside the bedroom. Say maybe you've gone for a go-karting, you've gone for a beautiful trek on a Sunday or something like that.
I'm just gonna keep it very generic.
Okay.
Not gonna say
I'm
anything
excited to know that.
off camera.
Off camera.
Okay, यार वो बिल्कुल सही नहीं होगा. But the most adventurous thing which I have done with my partner is फिर तो बहुत basic है. I think no, वो मज़ा नहीं आएगा आंसर देके. Forget it.
बता दो. Generic ही बता दो.
Okay. Yes, I am someone जो ट्रैक पे जाना बिल्कुल पसंद करता है.
Wow.
Yes. One I would say is that okay, waterfall के पास बिल्कुल trekking के वक्त like I have kissed my partner.
Beautiful.
Yeah, like वहाँ पे वो बिल्कुल झरना चल रहा है.
With the scene, the whole scenario.
Yeah. और फिर वहाँ पे वो fog है, mountain है, greenery है, and we are kissing there.
That is so cute.
And it was so warm.
It is so cute.
I could just feel it कि यार ठंडी बाहर है और यहाँ गर्मी लग रही है. So that is one thing which I've done.
That is so sweet. Okay.
But you should do it. You should try it.
I love mountains, by the way.
Yeah, na?
So I like every year 3-4 times you will find me in some mountain sitting there. But
Wow.
बस मेरा ये है, मैं अकेला जाता हूँ.
अब इस बार देख लेना, वाटरफॉल भी ढूंढ लेना.
Okay, now 3 sex positions that everyone should try.
Okay. Number one is, this is one of my favorite sex positions, tabletop position. So
Okay.
basically your partner or a female partner is on the table and the man is penetrating.
Okay.
It's very hot if you
Okay.
think about it like that,
Right.
because you're not on the bed पर आप table पे हो
Table पे
और वो elevated
Elevated
है.
है.
Yes. Number two would be spooning.
Right.
Spooning is such a great position. It gives deep penetration और आप बिल्कुल साथ में रहते हो, पास में रहते हो,
Right.
and you feel good.
Right.
Yeah, that is, I think spooning बहुत ही underrated sex position है. Number 3 would be, one is कि लोग बहुत ही doggy style को follow करते हैं या doggy style करते हैं, इस sex position को करते हैं, but another one would be the variation of that, which is sleeping doggy, wherein you are penetrating,
Okay.
the man is penetrating from behind, but यहाँ पे आप खड़े और लड़की डॉगी पोजीशन में नहीं है, पर आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर लीन हुए हो.
Got it. Like you're
leaning
flat
on
on the
each
ground.
other.
Yeah.
या और बेड के ऊपर या वो surface के ऊपर फ्लैट हो, and then you are doing
Right.
it.
Got
I
it.
would like to add one more position. I'm sorry for this.
No worries. Please.
Lotus.
Okay.
Yeah, lotus position is also a beautiful position. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आप एक दूसरे के ऊपर बैठते हो और एक दूसरे को फेस करते हो, तो आपके जो सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स है वो अलाइंड होते हैं.
Yes, I think this is more of a spiritual position
Yes,
as well.
it is also one
Yes.
of the spiritual positions.
Yes.
And you should do sex in this position as well. यहाँ पे सेक्स का मतलब ये नहीं होगा कि सिर्फ आप पेनिट्रेट करो. यू कैन सिंपली इंसर्ट द पीनस इनसाइड द वजाइना एंड जस्ट सिट लाइक दैट एंड जस्ट कनेक्ट विद ईच अदर.
Yes.
है ना, हर चीज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Absolutely.
Just keep it like
I
that.
know what you're talking about, and I've read about it a little bit. I think I have a little knowledge about it where I've read कि यहाँ पे ये बहुत spirituality से भी related है,
Yes,
where कि
yes.
your body aligns and
And
the
your chakras
energy
also match.
matches, and वो energy जो exchange होता है उस position में, it helps both of you to understand each other more well, and you're facing.
Facing and imagine you're doing eye gazing here.
Yes.
It's so
exactly,
nice.
Exactly. Great. Beautiful. All
Thank
4
you.
of them. Your biggest turn on.
Being brave and being courageous.
Perfect. Now, what's a deal breaker for you in a relationship?
When my partner is okay when I'm happy and chirpy, but he's not okay when I'm dark and when I'm not doing well. Like I have my good days and I have my bad days. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं हमेशा ही खुश रहूँगी और सारी चीज़ें हमेशा ही अच्छे रखूँगी और हमेशा खुशियाँ लेके आऊँगी. ऑब्वियसली आई डू दैट, पर कुछ टाइम ऐसे भी, कुछ वक्त, बहुत बार कुछ ऐसे भी दिन आते हैं कि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे डल फील हो रहा है, मुझे इरिटेशन हो रही है, मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. सो डील विद दैट, एक्सेप्ट माई फ्लॉज इज़ वेल.
Right.
आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मैं फ्लॉज पे काम नहीं करूँगी, बट बी देयर फॉर मी व्हेन आई एम बोथ अ लाइट and a dark, like a light and what would we say?
We can say no light.
When I'm both a
Yeah.
light and no light.
Yes, exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
So that is one thing which makes a huge difference to me. अगर मैं देखती हूँ कि मेरा ये partner handle नहीं कर सकता है, then that's a deal breaker for me, because I would do the same to you and I'm not perfect.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think what you're mentioning again is like highs में या जब तुम्हारा एकदम पीक चल रहा है उस समय आपको बहुत सारे जन मिल जाएंगे, पर जब आप सबसे ज़्यादा लो में हो, who is there with you,
That matters.
That matters.
Yeah, and to be very honest with you, आजकल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि people are okay being about highs, but not okay being around you when you are absolutely low.
Which is very bad.
Yes.
Which is very bad.
Yes. I believe in true connection. और अगर मैं किसी के साथ हूँ तो मैं सारी चीज़ें एक्सेप्ट करूँगी और मैं यही चाहती हूँ इन रिटर्न. बाकी हम लोग काम करेंगे ना साथ में, चीज़ें को सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे, ऐसा भी नहीं है. मैं अपने फ्लॉस पे भी काम करूँगी, पर 100% मैं उसमें अच्छी रहूँगी इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. एंड बी ओके विद दैट.
Absolutely. Great. Now, if you had a superpower in the bedroom, what would it be?
मेरे पार्टनर के माइंड में जो भी चल रहा है मुझे वो सब जानना है. यही मेरा सुपर पावर रहेगा कि अब मैं इसको पूरा स्कैन करूँ कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है.
हम सबको जानने में हमारे पार्टनर के माइंड में क्या चल रहा है.
That is one thing that I would love to do.
Great. If you could go back in time and relive one moment, what would that be?
सो दिस इज़ आउट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट बट मैं लद्दाख गई थी, पैंगोंग लेक के पास में थी मिडनाइट में.
I know that.
आई थिंक तब कुछ बजे होंगे 3 या 4 रात के, और उस टाइम पे मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ थी, और जब मैंने ऊपर देखा तो आई कुड सी मिल्की वे
Wow.
एंड दैट वाज अनबिलीवेबल. मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे हेलुसिनेशन हो रहा है क्योंकि अब मैं पहाड़ पे हूँ और बिल्कुल ऊपर हूँ. यू नो, आई स्टार्टेड रबिंग माई आईज एंड आई टोल्ड माई फ्रेंड्स जस्ट कम आउट, बिकॉज वहाँ पे गाड़ी थी. आई मीन हम सब 4 व्हीलर में थे, तो मैंने उनको बोला बाहर आ जाओ, मुझे ना यहाँ पे कुछ दिख रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे हेलुसिनेशन हो रहा है. सो व्हेन दे केम आउट, व्हेन दे सॉ, दे वर लाइक डूड दिस इज रियल, एंड आई कुडंट बिलीव इट. आई कुड सी दोज red and pink patches and blue patches also, like a milky way, like it was
Wow.
beautiful. I
Wow.
just can't explain that. And मैंने उसे फ़ोन में कैप्चर करने की कोशिश की तो वो भी नहीं हो पा रहा था.
I think मैं समझ रहा हूँ आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, क्योंकि उस मोमेंट में जो तुम्हें दिखता है
Cluttered stars in between और side में ऐसे, and वो colors, it was beautiful.
wow.
And I love such things, yeah.
Wow.
I love such things.
So I think that is one of the moments you want to
Yes,
go back.
and any time.
Any beautiful. That is.
But I
beautiful.
would like to see the same thing with my partner. It'll be more romantic.
I think the next time you go there,
I'm
take your
gonna do
partner.
that. Yes. कि चलो चलते हैं.
Last one. What is a turn on which is very underrated?
Simply saying I love you.
I think इस question से ये rapid fire खत्म करना was very important with the kind of answer that you gave us.
Yeah.
Because all of this sums up to one thing, that is saying I love
I
you.
love you. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
मुझे लगता है मेरे हार्ट में वो heaviness आ जाता है automatically when I say I love you. It just comes from here.
I know. Because I think you are a very true person when you are falling in love.
Yes, yes.
And I think that is
Everything is activated just like that. So,
Great.
just say I love you to your person every now and then. It's very important.
And people don't usually do that. And I think thank you for mentioning that it is the most underrated thing. जाके बोलो, text करो, कुछ भी करो अपने पार्टनर को I love you बोलो. Great.
Yay!
ऐसे क्लिप्स देखने के लिए हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, और इसी का फुल वर्जन आपको अगर देखना है, फुल पॉडकास्ट देखना है, तो हमारे मेन चैनल पे जाके उसको देख सकते हैं.